Hi, Goddess of Love here again. Kamusta kayo dyan, mga goddess ko? So, yeah, another short reading na naman tayo today for the water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. So, yeah, kamusta kayo dyan, mga water signs natin dyan, no? Anong meron sa inyo right now, no? So, yeah, tignan natin anong message sa inyo ng inyong person on your mind, and your inner self, and of course, ni universe, no? So, let's see anong message ng person nyo, no, na naiisip nyo, right? So, kuha tayo dito ng 2 cards for you, no, water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. So, tignan natin anong meron, message. So, you have this, so many things remind me of you, no? So, for some of you, water signs, no? Namimiss kayo ng inyong person, no? Maybe, hindi kayo magkasama nito, no? For some of you, baka malayo sa inyo tong person nyo kasi namimiss niya kayo, naaalala niya raw kayo, no? So many things remind him, no? Or her, no? Of you, no? So, yun nga, no? May distance dito for sure, no? Kasi namimiss niya kayo and or maybe kung sino man yung naiisip niyo, maybe you are in separation na with this person and still he or she is thinking of you, no? Missing you, no? Something like that, no? And for the other card is, I know I messed up everything. So, yeah, meron sigurong separation nangyari dito, right, no? Because I know I messed up everything. So, alam nitong person mo na nasira niya ang inyong relasyon, no? Aminado siya doon. So, kaya siguro nagkahiwalay kayo and now, he or she is still missing you, still thinking of you right now, no? Water signs, no? So, take what's resonate, no? So, kayo lang din nakakaalam nito. Who is this person, no? So, yeah, that's it, no? So, ayan ang message ng inyong person, no? Still, she is thinking or he or she is thinking of you right now, no? So yeah, ayan ang message sa inyo ng inyong person. So, tignan naman natin anong message ng inyong inner self, water signs, no? So, tignan natin. Kuha rin tayo ng 2 cards here para sa message ng inyong inner self. So, let's see, ano ba yan? So, you have this authenticity, no? For some of you, water signs, no? So, sinasabi rito, no? Show your authenticity, no? Show your true self, no? For some of you, maybe, kung makikita mo rito, this one is so colorful, no? Right, no? For some of you, no? Gender naman tayo right here, no? So, maybe, ang iba sa inyo is, you know, tinatago yung kanilang gender, kung ano man sila, right, no? Kumbaga, nahihiya kayo to show your true self, no? So, yeah, for some of you, yeah, maybe kung ano yung true gender nyo, hindi nyo siya mailabas, no? But then, sinasabi sa inyo ng inyong inner self na be authentic, show your true self, no? Something like that, no? Kung ano man kayo, ano man itong pagkatao nyo, it's yourself, it's your authenticity, no? Diba? Kayo yan, huwag kayong mahihiya, no? Huwag nyong, kumbaga, huwag mong pagdamutan yung sarili mo to be happy with your own self, with your true self, right, no? So, yun ang sinasabi. Kumbaga, i-reveal mo sino ka, right, no? So, ito yung sinasabi for some of you, no? So, and the other one is, oh, parehas pa rin to kanina with the air sign and the fire sign, no? Lumabas rin to, no? So, sinasabi rin dito, no? Water sign, no? Na be silent, no? Kung ano man ang mga plans nyo sa buhay, goals in life, whatever it is, baka sa inyong career or business, no? You have this key, you have the door. Anytime you can open the door, right? No? But then, once you open the door, kung ano man yung nasa loob niyan, huwag nyo munang ipagsasabi, right? Something like that, no? So, kung ano man yung mga nalalaman nyo, maybe, ideas, pwede rin, no? Something like that, no? Kasi ang door, kumbaga, this is your creative creativeness, right? No? So, maybe, whatever your ideas, wag mong ipagsasabi, no? Para hindi masabotahin ng ibang tao, right? No? Kasi, kumbaga, right now, people around you, no? Hindi mo dapat pagkatiwalaan, no? Something like that. Kasi hindi natin masasabi sino ang totoo, sino ang hindi, right? No? So kung whatever it is na iyong mga plans, kung ano man yan na naisaisip mo, no? Before you execute those plans, no? Whatever it is, wag mo muna ipagsasabi, no? So, yeah, that's it, no? So, ayan ang sinasabi ng iyong inner self, no? Sarilinin mo muna yan, no? Ikaw lang muna ang dapat makaalam yan, right? No? So, yeah, that's it, no? For you, water sign. And lastly, check natin anong message sa inyo ni universe, no? From God. So, yeah, tignan natin. Kuha tayo ng 2 cards, no? For your message or advice from the universe, no? Tignan natin yan. Ano kaya ang message for you, water signs? Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. So, you have these healthy boundaries, no? For some of you, water signs, sinasabi sa inyo, ina-advise sa inyo ni universe na to make healthy boundaries, no? Hindi naman totally na lumayo kayo sa mga tao, but then make some healthy boundaries, no? Alam mo yung limitations mo, no? Right? So maybe may kinalaman to doon sa inner self mo, no? Sa message ng inner self mo, no? Katulad ng sa ideas mo. Huwag mong i-share, no? But then maybe you can share kung ano man yung ibang pwede mong i-share, but then your ideas, wag mong i-share because that is yours, di ba? Sa'yo yan. Wag mong i-share dahil pwede kang i-copycat ng ibang tao, right? No? So, make a healthy boundary. So, itong sinasabi sa'yo ni universe, no? To guard yourself, no? Para maiwasan mo rin yung mga taong magtatraidor lang sa'yo, right? And then the other card is parehas din ng kay air signs, no? So, you have this, claim your energy, no? Water sign. So, for some of you, sinasabi ni universe, ina-advise kayo na regain your energy, magpalakas, no? Maybe you are mentally, physically exhausted, no? Emotionally, no? For some of you, no? Lumabas-labas daw kayo ng bahay, no? For some of you. Magpa-araw daw kayo, mag-meditate kayo, no? Something like that, no? So, yun nga, baka akala nyo malakas kayo, but deep inside, mahina na kayo, no? Parang, kasi nakikita naman yan ni universe, nakikita ni God, di ba, right? No? So, palakasin nyo daw ang inyong sarili, right? No? Magpa-araw kayo, go to water, no? Swimming, something like that. Kung ano yung makakapagpa-relax, yung feeling nyo is makaka-gain ng inyong energy, no? So, go for it, no? Water sign. So, yan, that's it, no? So, I hope na naintindihan nyo yung ibig kong sabihin dito, no? So, yan, that's it, no? And thank you for watching water signs, no? So, and yeah, please like and subscribe sa ating channel, no? And yeah, God bless you all, water signs. And again, thank you, water signs.